Hi traders, so in today's video I will talk about my secret money management system that I use, and it is quite complicated actually, but compared to the losses that people make in their trading journey, it is just you have to learn these tricks and these secrets to just stay alive in the harsh environment of Forex trading. So in today's video I will talk about my three-way system that I use in my actual trading robots and in my manual trading as well, to make sure that my money is safe and my robots and in manual trading I won't blow any accounts. And so it is a really important video and I want you to listen, and I hope that you are all healthy and and beautiful like a butterfly, and you just enjoy life as you can, and just appreciate the things that you got in life, and just try to make other people's lives better, and just be happy. So the three-way system that I will tell you is a system that actually you can use in any trading scenario and in any trading robot, and it will be beneficial for you no matter what is your strategy. Of course, if you are not a scalper and if you just doesn't just these grid systems and these martingale systems, because they are just loser systems. So the first thing is, in this three-way system, have a stop loss and take profit and optimize it so they are just perfect for your own strategy. So the stop loss and take profit, just they have to be the right amount for your own strategy. So don't use a stop loss and take profit amount that is just a recommendation from somebody, because you have your own style, your own personality, so you have to make sure that these fixed stop loss and take profit levels are suitable for you and not for someone else or some other trader that you have read in a book. Because the other two systems that are in this strategy will be correlated with the fixed stop loss and take profit levels. My recommendation for the ratios for these levels are a minimum 1:1 and 1:3 ratio if we do a stop loss, a risk to reward ratio. So for example, I recommend to use in an optimal scenario to use a let's say, it's just an example, you have to create your own values, but for example a 50 pip stop loss and a 150 pip take profit, because this way you trade like a bank or a casino and not like a gambler in a casino, because you have that edge in trading, and based on statistics you have a better chance to win in the long term. Of course, it is harder to wait for a bigger take profit than for a bigger stop loss, because that is just human psychology, and you might encounter these situations where when you just wait and wait until your stop loss just you destroy your account, because you constantly just move your stop loss lower and lower, and when you are in a winning position you don't move your take profit higher and higher because you want to grab and just pull that money out of the markets. And this is completely normal, but if you behave this way, you will lose. So you have to control your human emotions in trading, and just use them in a way that is efficient to be successful. And so the second thing to this strategy is an ATR. So you have to use an ATR beside these stop loss and take profit levels that are completely fixed. You have to use a dynamic ATR, stop loss and take profit also, because when you are trading, the markets are completely changing and you have to adapt to these market changes, because if you can't adapt, you will lose and evolution won't be, kind to you, my friends. So use ATR stop loss, because that will measure a certain period of volatility in pips, and it will give you a great just dynamic exit if the fixed stop loss and take profit levels are not just efficient in a certain market scenario. And when you use the ATR, make sure you optimize it, and don't use the just the 14 period ATR, but optimize and correlate mathematically your ATR to your fixed stop loss and take profit ratios, because the both system just have to be correlated with each other, the elements. So the last thing in this system is a dynamic exit based on a moving average. So I won't tell you my actual numbers and my actual periods and values, because you have to find your own style, of course. But so this way, you use a fixed stop loss take profit, you use a dynamic ATR based stop loss take profit, and you use a moving average based stop loss and take profit. And to this, as a programmer, as an EA developer, and as a person who just optimized and tested with big data analysis hundreds and even thousands of EAs over the years, I have one more pro tip for you, and that is to when you add the last section, the moving average based stop loss and take profit, that is a dynamic exit also, but it is a completely different than the ATR one, because it's based on different numbers and values and just structure. So you have to add, or you can, but I recommend to add a time limit to the system. So for example, to just avoid situations where where it can blow your account, so you have to add a time limit period where you can tell the EA when it can close a trade, after how many minutes or days or even weeks it is able to close the trade based on the moving average crossover. So it will allow you to have a control over the moving average exit, and actually if you can just reach its full potential, it can make just an insane amount of pips, because if you optimize the parameters of this section with the parameters of the ATR and the moving average crossover, you will find some really just gems, just really interesting parameters and just strategies that will allow you to make good pips in Forex trading with robots and with manual trading as well, but I recommend to trade with robots in this scenario, really. And yeah, so this was today's video. If you enjoy these types of videos where I tell you secret tips and tricks and strategies as an EA programmer who optimized and tested and coded thousands of robots, I will make these more often. Ciao.